Well, this is the volcano, and we're gonna hike to it.
There aren't words to describe what it's like to be here right now. There are so many different types of life here that it's overwhelming just trying to soak it all in, or even part of it. I can't even concentrate on looking at the camera because it's just so beautiful. It's been an amazing trip so far, but getting to experience the rainforest is one of my favorite things that I've done.
So when all these are planted, are we done?
You're enjoying yourself?
No, I'm just asking because I want to do more.
Oh, you want to do more?
No, there are a lot more trees.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Awakened by a glimpse of light. This is your life, love is your life.
To be able to truly connect with the community and to give back to the community while we are here in their beautiful land is filling our hearts and filling their hearts.
Probably like the 6th trip I've done like this with teenagers, and what I usually find is that in the giving that we all end up getting a lot more than what we give, and it changes our lives forever.
Hello, my name is Lindsay. I live in San Rafael. Thanks for coming to my community. I really appreciate all the work that you are doing here, painting the community, sharing with the people in my community. It has been really fun, and I hope to see you someday. If not, thanks for coming and for helping in Costa Rica.
See and watch, and how all the generations live together and support each other, and I think we can do that in our own brand of that.
So the cultural exchange, you know, I feel like I'm in deeper communion with the rest of the world, and or at least this one very special part of it. So I'm really grateful for this opportunity to serve.